In this video, I will go through step by step on how to use the Swagbucks Referral Program. I'll talk about what this program is, and I will talk about the potential this program has to make you a passive income. And I'll share my actual numbers with you of using this program so you can make the decision for yourself if this is worth your time or not. And at the end of this video, I'm going to do a bonus comparison with another rewards points program so you can see the Swagbucks Referral Program compared to their referral program and my actual numbers and see which program works better. And as always, I will leave a referral link in the description box to both these platforms. So without further ado, let's hop on the computer. So here I am on Swagbucks homepage. Now, for those of you who don't know, Swagbucks is a rewards program. You can earn Swagbucks or SB points to later redeem for gift cards by doing certain activities like taking surveys or printing coupons or just shopping online and getting that cash back in your Swagbucks account. One of the ways you can earn Swagbucks is through the referral program. If you get a friend or family member to also sign up for Swagbucks, not only do they get a bonus, but you do too. So we're going to go over that right now. I'm on Swagbucks homepage. I'm going to go to the top banner here. I'm going to hover over more. And quick disclaimer, I do not work for Swagbucks, so they can change the way their website looks whenever they want to, but it is June 2021 at the time of filming this video, and this is what the website looks like right now. So I am hovering over the word more, and I'm going to go down to the right and click on refer and earn. So if you refer a friend to Swagbucks, right now their promotion they're running is 300 Swagbucks plus 10% of a lifetime earning off of your referral's earnings. So this promotion can change at any time. Again, I do not work for Swagbucks. I just enjoy using their platform, and I want to share that with you guys because that's what my channel is all about. Finding ways to make money with the skills and tools I already have, and then as I learn those things, I'm going to share them with you. Okay, so on the left here, you see the 300 Swagbucks plus the 10% lifetime earnings, and on the right you see 100 Swagbuck bonus. So to explain the difference between these two promotions, on the left, if you refer a friend and they sign up to Swagbucks for the very first time using your referral link, that is the reward you will be given. 300 Swagbucks plus 10% of their lifetime earnings, and your friend will also get 300 Swagbucks if certain criteria is met, and I'll go over that in a second. And here on the right, your friend can already have a Swagbucks account, but if they have not downloaded the Swagbucks Chrome extension yet and they use your referral link to download that extension, you can earn 100 Swagbucks from that as well. Now, at the time of this video, one Swagbuck is equivalent to 1 penny in the USA. So using the US currency, 300 Swagbucks is equivalent to $3. You could redeem this for a $3 gift card or $3 PayPal cash. And right here underneath this blue heading, you see the catch. You and your referral both get 300 Swagbucks when your referral earns 300 SB or Swagbucks within their first 30 days. So not only does your friend have to sign up for Swagbucks using your link, but they need to earn 300 Swagbuck points on their own within a 30-day window for you to get that $3 bonus and for them to get their $3 bonus. So if they just sign up for Swagbucks and they don't do anything within that 30 days, neither of you will get that $300 bonus. But you can still earn 10% of their lifetime earnings even if they don't reach that 300 within that first 30 days. Now, it's not hard to reach your first 300 Swagbucks. If you guys want a video about that, let me know in the comments below. I'd be happy to make that for you. And you don't even have to take surveys to reach that point. I have another Swagbucks video talking about ways you can earn Swagbucks without even taking a survey. So make sure you guys go check that out. It might help you get that first 300 or it might help your friend reach that first 300 Swagbucks so you both get this bonus. So now I'm going to go over how to actually refer a friend. There's a couple different ways, and then I'm going to go over the theory about how much this could make you passively, and then I'll show you my numbers and explain whether or not it's actually working for me. So one option you have right away is to type in an email address for your friend. So I'm just going to type in an email address here, and I'm going to make a custom message. Just, hi mom, here's the Swagbucks link I was talking about. Have fun printing coupons and earning gift cards. Love you. And then I would just send email. And you can see here 10 remaining invites. I don't know if this refreshes daily or not, but I believe you can send 10 emails out a day to friends and family. So I'm going to hit send email. and then invite was successfully sent, time to watch the refunds flow in. Now, if you have a friend or family member who has already signed up for Swagbucks, now you can see I have 9 invites remaining. So if you already had a friend or family member that signed up for Swagbucks, let me just type in another email here. So this person I know has already got a Swagbucks account. If I try to send an email to them, it will give me an error. It could not invite this person because they've already got an account. So if you see that error, that's potentially what is going on. Okay, so if you do not want to send emails or you want to reach more than 10 people in a day, if you do not want that limitation of just 10 invites a day, you're going to come down here and you can share your own personal referral link. You can either share that through a social media website here, or you can just copy. And that's what I like to do. I just hit that copy button and then I paste that link into my description box on YouTube because I have a following there. Now, if you have a following like on Facebook, if you have 300 friends on Facebook or something like that, you can just copy this link, make a post about how much you love Swagbucks, and send it to your friends. And if you have a YouTube channel like me, I mean, that's what I do. I like making videos about Swagbucks because it's a way that I make some extra cash. And then I just copy that referral link and put it in my description box, and you guys can go down there and check it out and see what that looks like. So same thing over here on the right. For the swag button referral, I'm just going to copy that, and wherever I have my following, I'm going to paste that referral so people can sign up for that Swagbucks Chrome extension. Now, you could also send an email and copy that link and paste it into an email of a friend or family member if you don't have a social media following or an audience in which you want to send these links to. Here's the potential. You could potentially make $4 off of every referral, and then an additional 10% of their lifetime earnings. So if they continue to be active on the Swagbucks platform, then you can earn quite a bit more per referral. Now, I have a following of almost 900 subscribers right now. So let's say I sent this link out in my description box and all 900 people not only clicked on the link, but they were also active and earned 300 Swagbucks within the first 30 days. And they also clicked on the Swag Button Chrome extension link for an additional 100 Swagbucks. So I would be earning $4 for each one of those subscribers. And let's say that's 900 times 4 is $3,600 worth of Swagbucks. So I could redeem that money in an Amazon gift card format. I could put it in my PayPal, but right away I'd earned $3,600 just for sending out a referral link. So this is the potential. And then if those people continue to be active, and let's say just each one of them earned 100 Swagbucks a day, I would get 10% of that. So I'd be getting 10 Swagbucks per person. So not only would I be making that money up front if everyone just used that link, but I would continue to make money off of the referrals each day, just a percentage, but it adds up really quick when you're talking about a lot of people signing up and actually being active on the platform. And that is the key. They need to be active on the platform. Now, is this really what's happening? I've sent out that referral link. I almost have 900 subscribers. So am I really making thousands of dollars from referrals on Swagbucks? Let's take a look here. If I hover over my Swagbucks at the top right corner, I can look at the different ways that I've been earning. I'm going to go down to the right and click on referrals. So out of the almost 900 subscribers that I have that this link has been sent out to, out of the thousands of people that have watched my Swagbucks videos, I've only gotten 9 referrals. So let's see, that's like 100th of my subscribers, just about. So every 100 people I send a link to, one of them will click on it and join. It's kind of been my experience. Now you might experience something different. Why aren't people using my link is the question. One reason could be they already have Swagbucks, and so they don't need to use my referral link. Another reason is maybe this is their first time hearing about Swagbucks, and so instead of clicking on my link, they go to Google and Google Swagbucks, and they sign up there, but then I don't get that commission from them because they're not using my specific link. And then a third reason is maybe they don't know me well enough. Maybe I haven't gained their trust into using this link, which is fine, but if you have a friend or family member who knows you really well and you have used Swagbucks and can tell them that it actually does work, maybe they're going to trust you more and use your link more. So your numbers could be totally different than mine, but this is my experience, and I just want to be really open with you guys and share that with you. Now, again, if I'm saying I have the potential of earning $4 for every single referral that I send out, then right now with 9 referrals, I should have earned $36 just passively from people clicking on that link. But did that really happen? No. No, it did not. I've only earned 379 Swagbucks, so that's just over $3. That's $3.79. So not anywhere close to that $36. So why did that happen? Well, I've blacked out the usernames of the referrals that I've signed on because I want to respect their privacy. But if you go over to the right side, you can see how much each referral has been earning me. And you can see that none of these have earned 400 Swagbucks. None of these have earned that $4. One person actually made it to that $3 bonus. They got the first 300 Swagbucks in 30 days. So they got a $3 bonus and I got a $3 bonus. And then they've continued to earn, so that's where the 67 cents has come from. It has come from that percentage of getting 10% of their lifetime earnings. So that is how much this referral is earning me. But you can see I've gotten a lot of people that have signed up, but they've not been active on Swagbucks. So I'm not seeing any points from them. It's still 0 Swagbucks. So they did not reach their first 300 Swagbucks in that 30 days. And they've also not continued to use Swagbucks at all. These people that have 2 Swagbucks and then 10 Swagbucks, they just didn't hit that 300 in that 30 days. Or maybe that 30 days hasn't reached yet. You will see these points the day after that referral hits that threshold. So the day after this person reached 300 points in the first 30 days is when I got rewarded the 300 Swagbuck points. Now, if they are using your referral link to sign up for the Swag button, it can take up to 14 days to credit to your account. So be patient with Swagbucks. It's a little bit here and there, but it does build up. So these are my numbers, and this actually does not include the referral points that I've gotten from the Swagbucks button extension, so Chrome extension. If I go up to the right again and hover over my Swagbuck points, and I'm actually going to go to activity, and here I can sort and see all the different ways that I've been earning Swagbucks. And I'm going to go ahead and scroll down here. Underneath this activity section, I'm going to click on referrals, and I'm going to change this to a custom range because I think I started referring people in February this year. I'll just go back to January. So here on the right, you can see a little bit that I'm earning each day. It breaks it down about which referrals are giving me those points. But then you'll see sections like this with plus 100 Swagbucks that come from an extension referral, and that's someone that has downloaded the Swag button, and I've gotten 2 of those. So out of the 900 people that have access to that link, I have gotten 2 people to actually click on it and download that extension. Now, I encourage people to try out Swagbucks. It's been a great way for me to have a little extra cash for birthdays and gifts for family members. That's what I like to use it for. And this has just been my experience so far with my audience and their interaction to my referral link. Your experience might be totally different. You might have more people click on your link, you might have less people click on your link. It depends on your relationship with your audience and their needs at the time. Now, I've also signed up for another rewards program, which is kind of like Swagbucks' little sister, is the feeling that I get from it, but it's called My Points, and I want to take you over there so you can see what I've earned from their referral system. It's very similar to Swagbucks, but here I've only gotten 2 people that have clicked on the link, and I've actually earned way more from them than I have from the 9 people that have clicked and signed up on my Swagbucks link, because these 2 people are active. One of these referrals, and again, I'll black out their names for their privacy, but you can see each day how much I'm getting from their activity on this platform. One day I got 17 points. Some days it's small, it's just 1 point here or there, but those points add up, and if enough people sign up and use that link and each person's giving you 1 point a day, I'm not doing anything. I'll go a week at a time without logging into my points, and I'm still making points that I can redeem for gift cards because of these referrals. So thank you so much for using my referral links, guys. For whoever this is amazing. They're on here, they're making this program work for them, and it's been helping me out. So this is really exciting for me to see, and I just want to say thank you guys to any of you that have clicked on these referral links and signed up through my description box. And you can see how much it's been helping me out, and I can see how much you've been earning, and that these platforms are actually working for you as well, especially this person who's on here every day earning a little bit each day, and those little points are adding up, and they're going to be redeeming gift cards like crazy, I feel. So there was another referral that I got. Most of these are from one person. So up here on date range, you can see this is just for June. This is what these 2 referrals have been earning me in the month of June, and it's only June 3rd. So I'm getting points every day from them, and it's awesome because it means they're getting points too, because this is just a small percentage of the points that they're actually getting. But I wanted to show you back in May on this platform, there was a day that one of my referrals, I don't know what they did, but I got 1,000 points from them, and that was awesome. And then there was another day that, if I scroll down enough, I probably passed it, that I got 500 points. So the point system's a little different on my points than it is on Swagbucks. It's not exactly 1 point is 1 penny, but that was great to see that much and to be redeeming that many points just from 2 referrals. So I don't know if it's just a difference in platforms, but so far my points has been working out a little better for me with the referrals program than Swagbucks has. If you want more videos on my points, let me know in the comments below, but go check it out. Both my referral links to Swagbucks and my points are in the description box. And as you saw in this video, if you use those links and are active on the platforms, you get a bonus and I will also get a bonus. So thank you so much if you do use those referral links. I hope this video helped you guys out and helped you see the potential these referral programs have. And also, this stuff isn't just unique to rewards programs. So if you are looking for ways to make money with referring systems kind of like this is kind of along the lines of affiliate marketing and looking up each website's referral programs. I've done the similar thing with ThreadUp. I like to buy things and resell them on eBay, and one of the places I like to source is through ThreadUp, and they have a referral link. So if you're on a website that you really like to use, you can search all over that website. Usually there's something in the very bottom, kind of down by the copyright section, that talks about referring a friend or signing up for their affiliate program. So if you have a website you like using, go and see if there's referral options like this, so that as you're using the website and enjoying it and sharing that with friends, you can also be rewarded for your advertising efforts for them. But I was really curious about this when I first started Swagbucks to see if this would really work for me. So I did want to share that with you guys in case any of you were curious. Again, here on my channel, we talk about ways you can make money with the skills and tools you already have. And as I find ways like this that are working for me, I'm more than happy to share them with you. So if that's interesting to you, make sure you hit that subscribe button and follow along with my channel. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and I will catch you in the next video.